Hi, my name's Claire. I'm a category manager at Bugaboo. And in this video, I'll introduce you to a completely new product category from Bugaboo. This is the Bugaboo Stardust, Bugaboo's new pop-up play yard. 20 years ago, Bugaboo reinvented the stroller, and today, Bugaboo is bringing a unique perspective to parenthood once again. We understand how important sleeping and playing are for your children's development. So with this new product, we're here to make nap time and playtime easier and more fun for you and your baby. The Bugaboo Stardust is our latest innovation. It's a premium play yard with ease of use front of mind. This unique product really differentiates through its unique all-in-one design and 1-second unfold. So easy to use and to transport, the Bugaboo Stardust creates a comfortable, safe space for your baby to sleep or play wherever you are. I'm now going to talk to you about the features and benefits of the Bugaboo Stardust. The Bugaboo Stardust is easy to use. It stays in one piece and unfolds in 1 second. You could even do it one-handed. When you want to save space or store away, the Bugaboo Stardust folds in just 3 seconds. The mattress doesn't need to be removed. There's even handy buttons to keep it closed and compact. Bugaboo has you covered when it comes to comfort. The built-in multi-layered mattress gives you comfort and support for your child, perfect for playtime or nap time. The Bugaboo Stardust also comes with a zip-in newborn baby bassinet, which simply zips into the main cot. The height of the bassinet has been specifically designed to make it easy to lift your newborn in and out without bending over. The materials Bugaboo uses are lightweight mesh fabrics, allowing airflow and breathability. And as always, Bugaboo works with the highest quality materials, which are chemical-free and durable. Bugaboo Stardust's unique built-in design means it stays in one piece. It requires no assembly, no special techniques. It simply pops up and is ready to go in 1 second. The mattress is built in and it folds back together in one simple movement in just 3 seconds. There's no need to remove the mattress. Its compact, lightweight design makes the Bugaboo Stardust easy to move from room to room at home. And it comes with a Velcro storage bag, which makes it the ideal play yard to take on trips away or to safely store at home when not in use. There are specific weight and height requirements, but the Bugaboo Stardust is made for children up to 2 years old. The main cot holds a weight of up to 33 pounds, and the zip-in bassinet holds a weight of up to 19.8 pounds, or when the child can roll over or sit up. And for both, they can hold a child of up to 35 inches in height. Included in the box of the Bugaboo Stardust, you get the frame, mattress, zip-in bassinet, and a storage bag. Bugaboo also offers an additional accessory. It's the Bugaboo Stardust fitted sheet. This is 100% natural cotton and it's Oak-Tex certified. This is specifically designed to fit the built-in mattress of the Bugaboo Stardust, and it can be bought separately. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's helped you get as excited as we are with our newest addition to our product portfolio. From now on, bedtime and playtime are easier than ever with our new pop-up play yard. Please check out bugaboo.com or reach out to us on our social media platforms for more information. Thanks for watching.